Hello, it's Hotrod Ronnie. Going to give you an update on this 66 Bel Air. Born fine. Came off a huge dairy farm. Show you. I'm not going to hurry up on this video. If they say they're too long, they don't have to watch the damn things. As you can see, got a little bit cleaned up. Even got me a little smelly thing in there. This thing smells awesome now. Cleaned the dash. You can actually see the numbers on the speedometer now. Gas gauge over there, and that plate right there is where the radio is supposed to be, I reckon. I've been at this thing all afternoon. I'll show you over here what I did. A lot of cleaning. Had a mask on this time. Check it out. I didn't wash the mats or nothing because eventually I'm going to check out that gear shift knob, 50 caliber bullet. My friend Fred Pollard, my best friend that died last summer, he had given that to me for a gear shift. Alright, I'll tell you what happened today. A lot of cleaning, vacuuming. I had a piece of carpet I laid back here after I vacuumed it. I didn't do my back no good at all today, but in order to get in the trunk, I tried to drill it out. That didn't work. So the only way to do it is go through the trunk and take the latch loose back there at the trunk lid. So what I had to do, see this extra inch right there? Well, that used to be like it here, but I couldn't get my fat ass in there, so I got 10 snips and a hammer and bent that up all around, because last time I did that, I got in there and almost couldn't get out. Good thing I'm not claustrophobic. But once I got in there with my wrenches, took the latch loose, the trunk popped right up. All the floorboards are in good shape so far I've seen. And then check it out. Put my new lock and everything in, mechanism. See what you do. You come in here and the best thing to do is just take those loose right there. Take that loose and take those right there loose. That's part of the new lock assembly. But it was, you can see here all the stuff that was in the, I'll show you that now. Check out this rare thing here. I don't know what that is. Somebody said it's a real old pulley that you pull brick up for masons. Some of the stuff that was in the trunk, most of that money was up in the windshield on the dash. It was original jack, original spare, creeper. Last thing I did was get all the rat motels out of my seats. Now I'm going to power wash them and sanitize them. Whole bag of crap there that was in the trunk. But this car, it ain't nothing to put a trunk floor in anything. It needs a gas tank. Oh, that's real solid in there. This is what I like. Opens right up. Well, I found this in there too. Still has some in it. I was afraid to pop that cork. Smell this, that would have knocked me out. Blue Nun wine and a Michelob. I don't know how old that is. Has to be 30 years old. But I stopped drinking about a year ago, so I don't have any use for that. But I'm real tickled with what I did today. That old man, I'm telling you, he must never have vacuumed this car out. It was full of mud all up under there. Look at the grease. Looks like every time he drove his car he had greasy hands. But he was a farmer. He was a worker. I'm going to put the seats back in it down. Put all the windows up. Wind's blowing about 50 miles an hour again today. I don't know what the hell is up with that. Alright, guess that's long enough. Pretty awesome looking car. That's it.